We keep reading Bradbury Sound of Thunder, and this is part 16. The tyrant lizard raised itself. Its armored flesh glittered like 1,000 green coins. The coins, crusted with slime, steamed. In the slime, tiny insects wriggled, so that entire bodies seemed to twitch and undulate, even while the monster itself did not move. It exhaled. The stink of raw flesh blew down the wilderness. "Get me out of here," said Eccles. "It was never like this before. I was always sure I'd come through alive. I had good guides, good safaris, and safety. This time I figured wrong. I've met my match and I admit it. This is too much for me to get hold of." "Don't run," said Lesperance. "Turn around. Hide in the machine." Yes. Eccles seemed to be numb. He looked at his feet as if trying to make them move. He gave a grunt of helplessness. "Eccles!" He took a few steps, blinking, shuffling. "Not that way!"